Good afternoon to all of you. We were studying the chapter manufacturing industries. We have already covered agro-based industries where we studied about the sugar industry, cotton textile industry, jute industry, and then we started with mineral-based industries. We have already covered the iron and steel industries of India. Now we would study about the next important metallurgical industry in India, that is aluminium industry. Now, what are metallurgical industries? These are the industries which are concerned with extraction and refining of the minerals. So aluminium smelting is another important mineral-based industry of our country, which is producing pure aluminium from its bauxite. That is iron ore. Ore of aluminium is bauxite. Now, this aluminium industry is developing day by day because the use of aluminium is increasing a lot. It is a very light metal. You know that the body of the aircraft is made up of aluminium because it is very light. It is resistant to corrosion. It does not rust. It is a good conductor of heat. You must have seen aluminium wires. So it is a good conductor of heat and it is malleable. It can be beaten into sheets. It is used to manufacture aircraft, utensils, and wires. You can see the picture. These are the different products which are made from aluminium. As I told you, the body of aircraft, utensils, wires, they all are made up of aluminium. It is used as a substitute of steel, copper, zinc, lead in number of industries. Now, aluminium is widely used mineral today, and it has replaced the use of steel, copper, zinc, etc. And that is why this industry is a very, very important industry of India. You can see the places where it is located. Aluminium smelting, these industries are found in Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. So they are almost scattered all over the world.